Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be my frontal wig tutorial featuring Klaiyi Hair. I'm just putting the hair up in a bun so that I can go through and get all the hair out for when I bleach the knots. Honestly, just a heads up, with this wig, the lace is so transparent that honestly you really don't need to bleach it. I think it did help me, but it wasn't that much of a significance. But anyways, just FYI, just in case you do get a wig where you do need to bleach the knots a little bit more, I use the 40 developer and I use any like regular bleaching powder. I like for my mix to be thick, so you'll see me later on I add another like some more powder in it because it was a little watery. But I'm getting the powder to be kind of thick because I want it to just sit on there and not necessarily seep through and bleach the hairs that don't need to be bleached. So I turn the wig inside out just to get the back of it really good, and I'll flip it back in the inside and let that sit. And with that, I'll let this wig sit longer than I normally do, but I let it sit for about 35-40 minutes to like let it get bleach because I wanted you to kind of see in the insides that the hair was a lighter, just because when I'm parting it just made it easier for me. I went through and I washed the hair with regular shampoo, and I went again and then I washed the hair with the shimmer lights, and I let that sit for a second to get that brassiness out of there. Excited. Ignore my hair that I have in my hair right there. It's a mess. So yeah, as you can see, like it's much lighter. I'll do a little test. Like I haven't even parted the hair, but you see automatically, boom, like it's parts. It looks nice. I love it. I'm so excited. Oh, I use the stocking cap method. And I'll talk about this later on. I use my foundation, which is darker than my skin tone, and it kind of offset things with the frontal, but once I have my makeup on, it looks perfect. Yeah, I use a hot comb and accidentally burnt the lace, so don't be like me and burn your lace off. Look, I look so calm, but I was having a mini heart attack because I was like, how am I about to fix this? But lo and behold, I ended up fixing it. And then I just like to use like kind of like a staggered method of cutting the frontal, just a little bit, not too much, but just a little bit, so that it lays more realistic. As you seen earlier, I burned some of the lace, so I'm gonna end up cutting the hairline back some. But this lace front or frontal was amazing. Like it looks light off the head, but as soon as you lay it down, it just blends perfectly. The hairline, I believe it's pre-plucked because I didn't have to pluck much. And as you can see right now, like it looks like I already plucked it, but I never plucked any of the hair right there. And just a heads up, I did cut the ear tabs. I didn't really record this, but look at the part, y'all. I haven't plucked any part. I haven't put anything in it. The part looks like my scalp. And I was pressed, okay? I'm like, well, I can't wait to put this on. So something ended up happening where the hairline didn't look right. So I had to cut the hairline back a little bit further, and ended up coming out okay. So now I'm going through with the Got To Be gel. You really can skip this step, but definitely use the Got To Be spray. Because that is amazing. I think I did two and some parts 3 layers of it, and the way that it sticks is ridiculous. It's not like a permanent hold, like I forgot the name of it, but it lasts probably about 4 or 5 days, really, as long as you're not like sweating crazy. And I'm just using a end of a rat tail comb so that I don't like get it oily with my fingers and then it starts lifting up or anything. But I just want you guys to know, like, you at the end of the day, you have to customize the wig yourself. Because as you've seen, I cut some of the hairline just because it wasn't looking right. Don't try to think of it as a all size, what is it? All size fit, all wigs fit size, or what am I trying to think? All size fits all. Cut whatever needs to be cut, get rid of whatever needs to be rid of. But y'all, like, look at the hairline. I didn't even pluck any of this. It's amazing. Like, this look, it almost looks like it could be my hair. Not really, but close. If my hair was long like this, I think I would look like that. So as you can see, I'm going in and I'm cutting some extra like lace pieces, just because it was kind of making it look a little bit fake. And that's why I said that it's not just a one size fits all type of ordeal. Cut whatever needs to be cut on you. Like, some people, you might not need to cut all of this, but it just wasn't looking right. It wasn't fitting right for me, so I cut anything extra off. I know before I used to be so scared about cutting frontals or cutting wigs in general, but let's be going. Like, that looks amazing. The part looks amazing. It looks so natural. I haven't even done anything with baby hairs. And, like, you really could just leave like that. Like, I later do, like, a few swoops, but nothing major. And I'm a middle part girl, so I'm just parting my hair in the middle. As you can see, like, the color is a little bit darker than my face color because my foundation is darker. I'm just laying it down with my good old handy hot comb. But y'all, just pay attention to the hairline. So I end up going over the baby hairs with Got To Be glue. And I just did slight swoops. I don't want like the extra look, but honestly, I honestly would recommend using just mousse because it's less of a permanent hold, and then you could just wrap your hair up, but it still look the same. And just to let you guys know, I also did an adjustable strap in the back, and this pretty much sums it up. Yes, y'all, look at this hair. Look at the scalp. Like, I just want y'all to see the scalp. That's my thing. I fell in love with the scalp. So hi guys, I am finally back. This is the final product of my Klaiyi lace frontal wig. I love it. 24 inches body weight, 13 by 14 frontal, natural black. It actually looks much darker ever since I curled it. Like, when it's in its natural state, it looks a lot more brown. So the hair is so soft. I did use the Got To Be holding spray. I used a little bit of the black gel, but I think I just use that to like slick it down. I don't think it does much. This is really good. It's like super sturdy. I did add an adjustable cap. I might add some combs in the back to like put it underneath. I have a small little peanut head, so it's not like, it's like a little loose. Like, the comb in the back is in there, but it's a little loose on the sides. Overall, I'm super excited. I love this hair. You can see the baby hairs. One thing I will say about this, if you are my complexion or a lighter complexion, you really don't have to bleach the knots, because this lace is super transparent, and I think that when I bleached the knots, it made the hair made it like more sparse. So I went through again with like my foundation. My foundation I actually use on my face is darker than my skin color, just because I feel like it gives more of a glow, and so I think it made the lace darker. I don't think that you necessarily need it to be need to bleach it, okay, is what The hair is super soft. It's really silky. It's very manageable. It's really like, it holds a really good curl. When I did first get it though, it was shedding a bit. It hasn't shedded, like now it's not shedding at all. Oh wait, it's a little bit. What I will say, I did have to cut some layers. I think I might cut more, just because this is 180 density, but I think it's more so like if you want to wear it straight is like better than with the curls, because I kind of wanted a little bit more voluminous look. But I think that with it being this 180 density, I say go with 180 always. Don't do the 150, because unless it's like a curly, like this wave being a 180, it's not super thick, but it really works with it. I think it looks really good. And when it's straight, I'll probably come and do a video where I wear it like straight. It's just not too bulky. I just think when you have curls, you want it to be a little bit bigger. Overall, I love this. I do want to dye this hair or bleach it, but I don't know if I should keep it black or bleach it. I don't know. Like, tell me what y'all think in the comments. I'm super excited. I hope that you guys love this video. It's pretty long too. So 24 inches, excuse my snags, but 24 inches is right like at butt. Like, it's like the tip of it is at like my butt. Oh, and then look, I'm gonna show you how good the parting is. Like, I didn't pluck any, did I? No, I didn't pluck any of it. I plucked some of the front, but oh wait, hold on, I don't want to mess my hair up too much, y'all. I gotta go to work. But you see this? Like, the parting is just literally amazing. That's without me doing anything, without me putting any concealer in it. I can just go ahead and part this hair literally anywhere, and the parting is amazing. Y'all, I'm really feeling this hair. I love my little baby hairs. I didn't want to do too much of the swoop baby hair look, because I don't like that. I feel like it's kind of plain. I feel like you can do it with like synthetic hair, but like with human hair shit. And so I did like a little bit of swoop, but like mainly swoop to the back. I didn't want to do these to cover up the lace. The lace was, honestly, the lace was really, really good. But I think that because I bleached it and it didn't need to be bleached, then I put the foundation on it, it was darker and you could tell a difference. But if I just would have like maybe like used a lighter foundation without even bleaching it, I think it would have blended perfectly. Like, this looks so good. It's so flat, y'all. And I still have that comb in the middle. It's so flat. Like, oh my god. Like, let's see. Like, if I was to do a ponytail, look how flat it is. So anyways, make sure you guys check out Klaiyi Hair. And yeah, get some of this hair, bro. And then, like I said, I am 5'7", so if you kind of want to compare it to yourself, the 24-inch is good. Like, what? I'm giving the girls, I don't even know, like Rich Bunny, like. I really, really like this though, y'all. I'll leave all the links down below. As always, don't forget to tell a friend and watch your friend Mish K, and I'll see you in another video.